Hey guys, I'm here in front of DeepPixel's booth. They're doing something pretty interesting where you can use AI to actually reduce your basically operational costs. So in this video, that's what we're going to check out.
Hey guys, I'm Najeeb Khan. I'm an author, I'm an award-winning entrepreneur, and an innovation strategist. And in this channel, you're gonna find everything you want to learn about innovation, design, and creativity.
Hey guys, I'm here with DeepPixel, and these guys are doing something pretty amazing. So with me, I have Giri. Giri, how are you doing?
Good, good.
Giri, tell us more about what DeepPixel is and how it came to be.
Yeah, so DeepPixel is an AI company based out of Toronto. We wanted to take sort of conversational AI to the next level. So we sort of started looking at what was available and the problems that companies were having. And what companies were having is that they were having repetitive questions come to them often, over and over again. Where are you located? What time do you open? What time do you close? And they wanted to automate that if possible. Existing technology did not allow them the flexibility to do that. So we went and created an engine from the ground up to allow them to do that. So we've sort of built that in Toronto, and now we're in the process of selling that to some large brands and banks.
That's amazing. So what do we have over here?
So I have a couple of examples here. So here, what we call BeerBot is a demo that we created to show the power of questions. So here you can ask questions about a type of beer, maybe what a lager is, maybe tell me about a lager from Molson, what's the alcohol content of it, and I'll also tell you stuff like where's the closest beer store. So if I put a postal code in, it'll figure out, okay, within maybe a 10-kilometer radius, there's 5 stores that you can go to.
So over here, what kind of questions can they ask? Like, does it get pulled up on like a database, or is it like a Google search or Wikipedia?
So we start with like a frequently asked questions. So to do this project, we basically pulled up what are the common questions that come to like a beer store, and then we programmed it. So what is beer? What is a lager? What is tell me about Heineken? So all questions you can answer. But then they also most of the other questions are tell me about a lager that's on sale. So we'll go find a lager that's on sale and then provide them the details of that particular beer. And then sometimes it's like, is it 24-pack, 12-pack, those kind of details. We pull that from the retailer site and then serve it up in this format.
Amazing.
We can't sell beer online, but we can at least give them all the details so they can go pick it up at the local beer store.
Got it.
On the right here, we're showing a sort of a brand experience. So here, the bot is based in Facebook Messenger. And inside, you can type, for example, help, and you can sort of look at what's in the cart. And in this case, the cart's empty. So you can look for address. You can even do scanning of a barcode. So if you go to the store and you find a barcode, you can take a picture of it, send to the bot. The bot will look it up and tell you it's $23.50. If you like it, you can add it to the cart. Where we want to get to with this is we want to be able to take it and do it such a way that the product can be paid for and shipped to your house without you having to pick it and take it and pay for it at the store.
Amazing.
So you're in the store, you just walk out, and the product is going to be arriving 2 days later. Or you throw the product in the cart, you walk out, and just show the security guard that you actually paid for it in the app.
All right.
That's where we want to get to it. But today, just answering questions and showing product pricing is a good start.
That's amazing. So what other applications can this be used for?
Yeah, so a lot of companies come to us and they want to automate their internal FAQs or internal wiki pages. So, for example, HR gets a lot of questions about when can I get my T4 slip, or how many vacation days do I have left for the rest of the year. So we can automate those questions so that HR generalists don't have to spend their time to answer these questions. Furthermore, we can provide a sort of a customized answer. So if you come and ask how many vacation days do I have, instead of telling you that you have 10 days left or 10 days for the year, we can tell you have 9 days left. You only took 1 day of vacation this year. Perhaps even prompt you that to tell you, hey, we should be considering taking a vacation now. So those are the kind of stuff that we can do internal to a company as well.
That's amazing. This obviously saves a lot of operational costs. Where do you see the future of this going?
So companies think that this technology is going to be sort of taking over all aspects of the corporation. So where we start off today is trying to save cost in a call center, HR, IT. And also, we like to increase sales. So if you give, especially the millennials, they don't want to go to the websites or they don't want to go to the brick and mortar stores. This is a new captive location for these people to go and buy. So we're trying to reduce cost and increase sales. But beyond that, we believe that every department within the company has something that they can automate. Right?
Of course.
So over time, we believe that AI is going to play a pivotal role in corporations in a big way. And
Right.
because most of that is done. So even emails, for example, will be automatically sorted in your inbox. So AI
Right.
is going to be in every aspect. We want to start here.
Amazing. Is this currently live with any organizations right now?
Yeah, we've done a couple of pilots. There's a couple of demos and B2C applications online that you can go play with. But most of our pilots with large corporations are still private and internal.
I see.
We expect that most of the Canadian products are going to come to the market probably in the middle of the year or later part of the year. A lot of chatbots are being deployed in the US. For whatever reason, they are live there. But
Right.
in Canada, it's a little bit behind
I
in terms
see.
of chatbot deployment.
Love it. Where can people go to find out more information?
Yeah, so go to DeepPixel.ai, DWPPIXEL.ai.
Okay.
There's a bot there that you can play with. And also you can go into Facebook Messenger, look up DeepPixel to talk to our bot. And, we can show you a few more demos if you're interested.
Love it. Thank you so much, Giri.
All right, thank you.